Now I need to show some pictures for you related to COVID-19. See, this is about wearing mask. It is compulsorily advisable that you all should wear the mask. So please, I am advising you all to wear the mask to save from COVID-19. So nextly, I am showing you about maintaining social distance. You all should maintain social distance. See. Okay, next. You all should stay home and stay safe. Next, here you should sanitize your hands once per hour, as I told you already. And next, lastly, about vaccination. You all should get vaccinated to protect you and your family from COVID-19, which is a pandemic disease which is spread all over the world. So this I need to tell for you. So next, I'm going to tell you about COVID vaccination. So what are the benefits and another information about COVID-19. So now I need to tell about that for you. These COVID-19 vaccines was developed using science that has been around for decades. COVID-19 vaccines are not experimental. They went through all required stages of clinically trials, so it is proved that these vaccines are safe and effective. These vaccines are effective because they can save you and your family from getting and spreading COVID-19, and also helps you to keep us from getting seriously ill. Even if you get COVID, getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you.